Hello ladies and gentlemen, today let me introduce the Kobe 11 Elite low fail to break. Okay, look here the box. You can see the Mamba logo in here, gold colors. Okay, you can see the Kobe in here. The side you can see the Nike logo, gold colors in here. Yeah, look here, Kobe. Okay, let's introduce the Kobe 11 shoes. Open the box. Okay, look here, you can see the lace. The lace, different lace. The lace is black. The lace is gold color. Okay. Look here, you can see the Kobe 11. Look here. Okay. Let's begin now. The Kobe 11 shoes. Okay. Look here. You can see the Mamba logo is black. Okay. And you can see the double X in here. Yeah. Look here. The side is Nike logo. It's gold colors. Wow, you can see the stitching. The stitching is so neat. Wow, and so comfortable. Look here. Mamba black. Look here. Okay. And you can see the shoes bank. Look here. You can see the 4.13.16 in here. Yeah. You can see the Mamba logo. The other side is Kobe and Nike logo. Okay. Look here, the bottom, and you can see the Mamba logo. The bottom is dark blue. Yeah, so beautiful. Wow, so comfortable. Okay, look inside. You can see the Nike logo and Kobe in here. Yeah, and the other side, you can see the 11. Number 11. Okay. And the size. Okay. To sum up, full body black shoes market the end of this career brilliant on gold decorative details, great tribute to the black Mamba and winding load mask. Black gold color of Kobe 11 Elite low fails to break. Black Mamba in full glory breath coming out with a simple and elegant black gold, followed in presenting the gold for injurious, but also with the 4/3/2006 release date, where Kobe Bryant finally fell well of a war. Okay, if you like shoes, you can see the kidsplus.com. Okay, see you guys.